So my beginners and advanced, but advanced you will not need this, but beginners, I am going to now walk you through how to solve chess puzzles. And I'm doing this video around 10 o'clock my time, so yes, I will do it nice and slow. And so let's go see what we're supposed to do here. Okay, my puzzle rating is over here. My turn is white. This puzzle has been played 3,984 times. Puzzle themes, you can change, choose your puzzle themes. And it's my turn, obviously. What do I do? Well, I've got stuff that I need to do. Do I have the queen be taken? Maybe yes, and it will come over here and over here. Maybe I can risk it. Do I have enough firepower? Let's check. Okay, I have enough firepower to have. Oh, we're not done yet. I'll keep going. Okay, so let's see to get this going. So let's see. This is a typical pattern right here. Yes. All right. We like this. Next, we are white again. Okay, where's the king? King's right here. What should we do? This is not that easy. Well, well, the queen is being attacked. So first, see what's being attacked. Uh, any of your pieces in danger. Well, now I see this piece is in danger, my queen. And my rook. So I have a fork. Who do I want to save? Is there a way I can eat this knight up? Or can I do a counterattack? I don't see that I can do a counterattack. Oh my. So what do we do? I would assume that I would want to save my queen. But how shall we do that? It is forking, you see, my rook and my queen. Well, most likely we'll lose the rook. But where should I move the queen? Ah, I see a counterattack. Do you see it? Yes, look deep enough. If I go to e4, it's going to be attacking this rook. Tit for tat. Very well. And it's going to be attacked? No. Alright, so let's do that. Goodbye. So what should I do? Should I take the knight? Or should I take the rook? The rook will come with a check, so this is a better move. Alright, so that's how it's done. Next. Okay, my turn. Are any of my pieces attacked? Being attacked right here. No. Okay, my queen's kind of over here. I don't know. Let's see. Well, I can take this queen, but if I take this queen, this rook will do a check. And can I escape? Ahaha! Not so fast, so this would not be the best move. It's also being attacked by this bishop. So I'm kind of feeling the heat. Maybe the only way I can interrupt this is do a forced check. Okay, this is the forced check. Is that gonna help me? How is it gonna help me? What can my knight move? If my knight retreats, doesn't matter. It's still gonna know knight move is not the best. What is the best move here? Well, I don't like this. This is danger, danger, stranger danger. This will be taken. And then we have a ramming thing. No, we need to move this and we need to do this. Okay, now what? Now what do we do? Oh, now we have opened up our way. So now I can't take the queen. Now the rook will take, but I will take. Okay, so I can handle this now. Okay. Now the rook would take and I would take and I'm available there. Okay, next. Okay, what do we do next here? I'm black. Where's the white? King is here. Oh, lovely. My queen is being attacked. Everybody, my queen is being attacked. Unbelievable. What can I do in return? Oh, this queen. Okay, but can I escape? Should I take over here and then the queen will take and then how I will escape? I think I'm going to take the queen. And now I can escape. Okay, I can take here with this. Okay, good. With the knight. Phew! That was a toughie. Let's see. So I am white and I want to go against black. Ooh la la. So what are we going to do? Can I take my queen somehow and put her here and thus attacking? Like my queen is on black and my king is kind of tucked in the corner. I still have this. I think I should. What should I do? Do da do da do. Should I take the queen? Or where should I take the queen? Alright. Should I go here and it'll take? No, that's not the best move. But the king will just take this pawn. And somehow I'm imagining that this queen can help with the pawn. What if I do this like this and this takes? That doesn't help me with anything. Okay, let's just risk it. Can I go above? No, I can't because there is the rook guarding it. So let's go here. Okay, now the escape. Sí, sí, sí. Sí, 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 señor. Señor, señor. Well, walla, 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 woo. Walla, walla, woo. Now what? Now we have a skirmish. Should I go here and the queen will take, so I take the queen with a check? Or should I go? Well, I can't go here because that's not gonna help. Can I go here? I cannot go here. All right. What does help? This doesn't help me. Can I go above? Nope, nope, nope. Can I go this way? No. Well, maybe let's try this so I can, and I can take. See? So this is a combo. This is, you just have to see the combination of togetherness. Okay. Next. All right, we are black. We're going against white. Are any of my pieces? There's a lot of pieces on the board. Lots of choices here. My knight is being attacked. My pawn is being attacked. I can see maybe some sort of maneuver. Can I hold on to maybe over here and then here and then here? Can I? Do I have time? Do I not mind? Do I not mind? Oh, and this is tempo. This is tempo. Will I be in time to be able to do my maneuver with my bishop and queen? Whereas this can come in and attack. Okay, this can come in and attack. Or should I just kick back my the bishop here? Huh? Kick back the bishop. I could just. So this is a move order situation and it's a tempo situation. Well, this knight is really important. It's protecting my this pawn. I cannot lose this knight. If I lose this knight, I have to move up my queen. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try this because if I move here, I'm already attacking. Okay, this is a threat. Let's try it. Okay. All right. And now he blocked my attempt to go here. But it's very important that I can also eat this bishop. Okay, it wasn't how I wanted to plan, but it still turned out okay because I was able to take the queen. So I found the best move. Next. Alrighty, we're black. Something to do with this pawn. You know, usually look, the pawn can support. So why should I just take? Okay, I should not take this, and that'll be queen. I should attack right away, right here. Okay, now I can attack right here. Okay, this was a situation where you could have taken this rook, but then the next move would have been a queen for white. So, but there was a better move here, much better, where you would be attacking and checkmating this way. So don't be in a rush. Do not be in a rush. Okay, I'm white. Now king is here, my king is here. We have a pin here. We have two attackers. What are we going to do? This is more complicated. What if I move this up here and I will fork? Let's fork. Okay. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What is better? To take the queen or to take the rook? I will take the queen. More points. Okay. In such situations, you still have to think probably the queen will be better, but nonetheless, not always. Okay. So that is it. It doesn't let us continue, but this is how you have to think. The thinking process has to be that way. Okay, now one more. Okay, because we're going on the 10-minute mark. One more. One more. Okay, what's to do? It's probably going to be a rook knight combo. My knight is being compromised. I can't go here. I could go here and cannot take because I'm guarding it. Is there a better move by the queen? Should I just give up my queen? Or should I attack? This is a good one. Or should I just go after the queen here? And it will take, so I take. And I still have the queen available to do this. This is another move order, guys. If I go here, the king cannot take because I'm guarding it. And I can attack. Okay, let's go this way. Seems simple, and I can also be attacking the queen at the same time. So if I go here, I'm guarded by the rook, protected. I am attacking the rook and the queen. Okay, let's go. So what's the better move now? Is there a better move? So you have to decide, should I take the rook? Or is there a better move? Well, there's not a better move. If I go here, let's just take the rook. Okay, and ladies and gentlemen, this is how we move up in the world, moving on up. You gotta just think, and you gotta play, and you gotta practice. Those are the best ways to get ahead. And here we have, in the evening time, how we move up doing puzzles. Do your puzzles either on this. There's several platforms. This one's Lichess. But make sure you do your puzzles every day. Okay, you gotta do your puzzles every day, and also play. Rated players that are close to your rating, maybe a little bit above, to challenge yourself. Good luck and keep on practicing. Au revoir.